The scrapyard? Nah. Just seen the sign on my way to camp.
Oh, this is all Hackett property. The main road is another mile that way. Wait, how do I know so much more about everything than you do?
Wait, shut up. So basically, it's another hour walk to the main road, and then at least another 3 to 4 hour walk until we hit the nearest... whatever?
Yeah. What was that?
Let's just keep moving.
Okay. So, I guess this is me now.
What? You're gonna look great with a hook. We can call you... Hooky McHookface.
Yeah, I guess it's pretty unique. I could get different attachments for it.
Yeah, man. Lean into it. One hell of a story, too.
Yeah, I guess it's something to talk about on the radio station.
We're all gonna be laughing about this in a few years. You, me, maybe even Ryan.
Kinda got close at the fire pit back there. Am I crazy or was something about to happen?
There's always next year, right?
Well, let's get through this year first. Wouldn't really matter anyway. It looks like we finally know Ryan's type. Confident and heroic, with an eye patch.
It's a pirate.
Maybe she shivers his timbers.
There.
Oh, shit.
Relax. It's a motion sensor. We're okay. I think.
Oh, look, steampunk's back in.
Ew. Come on, this way.
So what do we do now?
Well, I guess we just make ourselves at home. Whip up some cocktails, see what's on the TV. No?
Why are you always so positive?
Ugh, why do you keep asking me that?
I asked you about your confidence, not your whatever is happening right now.
Ugh, I don't know. I guess I just don't like to see other people sad.
Oh, please.
What?
Is that really what you think of your followers? Just a bunch of sad sacks that need you to cheer them up?
Well,
You really need to come up with a better name for that.
hell yeah, I do. Well, fuck this night, huh?
Yeah.
Come on. I want to hear you say it.
Fuck this night, fuck it all the way to morning.
Put me down!
Easy, Ma.
Put me down, you bitch! I'll blow your fucking head off! I'll blow your fucking head off!
Bitch!
Everybody just relax.
Can't shoot what you can't see, darling. Gotcha. No time for what you did to my Kaylee.
Get the fuck off me!
You ain't hurting us anymore. You are done.
Everybody stop!
Murderous bitch.
Ma, shut the fuck up!
That ain't no way to be talking to your mother.
Yes, sir.
Safe anymore, Bobby. Not after what they did to our Kaylee.
Fuck. Okay. All right, that's not good. Yeah, I'm not doing that. Oh, oh, oh.
I'm close. Stand by. Over. You can't hide from me in my own house, fucker!
Dick? There are bears around here?
Howdy, darling. We ain't playing games no more, little girl.
Try me, motherfucker.
Careful, Jed. She looks awful.
No, she's been bit. You know something? I ain't got enough silver to kill you, but I sure to hell can make you suffer.
Filthy animal. Get up. Come on, Jed. Get up.
What are you saying?
Okay, what's your position? What's your position?
Don't let her run, Jed. Cut her down.
Well, what?
No. No, wait! Ow! Ah! 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 Fuck! Ah!
She can see in the dark. She's one of them.
What are you?
I'm gonna enjoy watching you.
Fucking stop right now!
Take her head off, Travis. She's bit.
Yeah. Yeah, fill her with silver, son.
Wait! Shoot her!
This isn't gonna be too pleasant for you, I promise you that.
Yo, come on, man. You gotta help me.
I do?
Yeah, I promise. I won't tell anyone anything.
No, man. Family first. Besides, I'll get in trouble.
Please.
You stole my knife.
Laura! Oh no, you've been bit!
Pick on someone your own size.
Travis! Laura? Whoa, whoa, easy. Easy.
What the fuck happened?
Oh, how bad is it?
I'm so sorry.
That bad, huh?
I keep trying to fix it. Whatever this is, people keep getting hurt. First Max, now you.
It's not your fault. I didn't have to come here.
I shouldn't have let you come.
You're not the boss of me. Sorry.
It's okay.
Am I dying?
You've lost a lot of blood.
But it'll heal though, right?
Wait. Maybe it will.
What?
Ryan, if you let me bite you,
What?
if you let me bite you, it means you'll be infected, which means,
Which means it will heal.
yeah. But it also means
Yeah, I got it, Big Bad Wolf.
Ryan, I don't have much time. I can feel it, like it's fighting to get out. If you let me bite you and you heal, then
Then I have to kill Chris.
it's not killing Chris, it's killing a werewolf. It's saving your own life, and mine, and Max's, and your friends, too.
Let you bite me and live to kill Chris Hackett, or bleed out and die.
Pretty much, yeah. It's your call, for now. So we doing this or no?
Do it.
Okay.
Nice and tender for you. Okay.
You should start to feel better soon, I guess.
Bobby?
Fuck. We gotta go. You got it.
These guys never throw anything out, huh?
So, do you want to give me some direction on what we're looking for specifically?
Well, most of these cars look like they've already been stripped for parts. Just empty frames and chassis, which doesn't help us much.
Got it. Are we gonna end up in a documentary?
No! Shut up. Come on, let's go.
These sons of bitches had it all planned out. Who's T? Looks like these guys were cooking the books a little.
Dodgy.
You said it. Sorry, that was scary.
We are being hunted by literal monsters, and this is what bothers you?
Yeah, both are bad. What's this? Aram Scarum. Seeing this, Caitlin? Look.
So, you ever operated a crane before?
I actually used to be pretty good at the claw game at my local arcade. The kids used to call me the grabber.
No, nope,
Oh, I hear that now.
Look, why don't you see if you can lower it down so I can take a look under the hood?
Sure, yeah, sure thing. Just watch my back, yeah?
Yeah.
All right. Looks like somebody's mom never taught them how to clean up after themselves. Okay, let's see what we're working with. All right, not too complicated.
What the hell is going on?
My bad. Okay. All right. Here goes nothing.
You did it!
Yeah, I think I found my calling.
About time! Well, maybe we can see if we can try and get this thing running. Score!
There's something coming!
What?
Hi!
Oh, fuck! Dylan! Get the damn werewolf on the damn car! Hurry the fuck up! Dylan, help! Dylan, come on! Help me! Dylan!
You rusty bitch.
Now! Dylan, thank you. You actually saved my life. For realsies.
Yeah, no sweat. I just can't wait to see who they choose
What?
to play me in the movie about how brave I am.
Don't push it.
So much for our brilliant escape plan.
Okay, back to the lodge.
Are you nuts?
Better than being out in the open. Come on.
We can't just sit here.
Why not? Dylan said it's safe here.
Yeah, I don't want to be waiting around.
But that's literally all we need to do. Just wait until morning, right?
Fine. But we need protection. Go see what you can find. It's better than just sitting around.
Oh, fuck. Hope it holds. Huh.
Looks like the main fuse is gone.
That's why there's no power? Why would somebody do that?
What is it?
Silver shells.
How'd they get down here?
The hunter must have dropped them. This is probably how he got upstairs and attacked Caitlin.
These fucking guys are everywhere. What'd you find?
Oh, I'm just checking out this ladder.
Is that a tiny little door up there?
Yeah.
We'll open it up.
Why? We don't know what's up there.
Exactly.
Have you not been paying attention, like, at all?
Okay, what I mean is, it might be good for us to have an escape route. You know, we don't know what's up there. The lodge, there also could be a way for us to defend ourselves.
Okay. Guess that makes sense.
You all right?
Oh, well, yeah. Okay, that was close.
Oh, they ain't getting through there in a hurry. Man, this place is huge.
I might need to rest a bit.
You'll feel better soon.
Cool.
I'm feeling pretty good, actually.
What are you doing? Stop it.
Do you smell that?
No.
Never mind. Let's just find another way down. A way to Chris Hackett.
Or just a way out, maybe. I'm done being chased and stabbed.
Sure. And another way out. Fine. Huh.
What's that?
Proof we're on the right track. Stay close.
Yeah, all the better to see you with, my dear.
Shh. Watch your step.
Yep.
I think we found Chris Hackett. Son of a bitch.
Silver back mirror.
Bobby? The gun! Hey!
Yeah. Likewise.
So,
Yeah. Likewise.
so... What now? Everyone's back to normal?
What? What? Oh. You think this is over? This isn't over. Oh, Chris wasn't the first.
That's not possible.
Caleb. Kaylee. The girl you killed? Her brother.
What?
Caleb bit Chris and Kaylee. Chris was just trying to protect him. He was a good man, my brother.
Well, then who bit Caleb?
Silas. We've been tracking him for years. He's a gypsy, a transient. He'd been long gone from the area, but we hoped he'd come back so we could end this. Anyway, there's sightings up and down the coast. A feral albino child, giant white wolf.
White wolf.
What? What'd you say? Where?
Where'd you see it?
Hey, let him go!
At the cabins earlier tonight.
Okay. Okay. Okay, it makes sense. It all makes sense. He must have been back for months, and he's what ran you off the road 2 months ago. Help me. Help me. We can still save Caleb. Left in my family. We can help those who are still alive.
Why the hell should I trust you?
I'm not asking you to trust me. I'm telling you we can end this. We kill Silas, everyone gets better. Everyone who's still alive anyway.
Okay, so... Where would we even find him?
I know exactly where to find him.
Okay, let's go.
Okay?
This doesn't mean I forgive you for what you did to me.
I understand.
Can someone please get me some fucking clothes?
You had your chance. You had your chance to wipe out that wretched family, and you failed. Doesn't matter. There's still time. We can still come out on top. Past is the past. Let's just look to the future, shall we? The sun, the vitality, your choices, your actions, your very life hangs in the balance. It's up to you to find your path in the darkness and see the sun rise once again. Judgment. The bells of judgment cry bloody murder. Or do they? The fury of a hatred earned, a fate deserved. Likely. But he may have his uses, though he won't forgive. He won't forget. The Hierophant. Where did you find this? Where did you find it? This shouldn't be here. He's been through enough pain. No. My poor boy. You see what they did to us? No. What have they done? What have they done? Ah! God, no. Silas, my boy! Oh! Ah! Mommy's coming, Silas. Mommy's coming, Silas! 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 No, no, no. My poor boy. You see what they did to us? How they hurt us out there still, all alone. Each full moon they hunt him, armed with silver, trying to put an end to a curse they inflicted upon themselves when they set my show ablaze 6 years ago. Stupid children. Little Silas, you must not follow this path. Do you understand? Remember how I've helped you all this time. Remember how much I've done for you. Get out!